tonight. This part is Chopsuey, and into the heated pan, the pot, we're putting in more of our wonderful garlic. Everything good starts with garlic, and in it goes. A little bit of a stir. Just letting it slightly brown for our first process in our Chopsuey extravaganza. And don't be telling anybody, another family secret from the Court de Chano of Mati City. Wow, what a... in go the onions, all those baby garlic. Woo-hoo-hoo! Hear that sizzle? You're doing a good job. Don't forget, subscribe for more wonderful recipes. The garlic and onions are doing well. Now time for the main ingredient, pork strips. Yep. Oh, I love this part. In it goes, and you know you're doing a good job when you hear that sizzle. Time to season with some salt. Remember, healthy, conscious city. Not too much salt, but enough to satisfy your taste buds. The seasoning continues with some pepper. In it goes. And that's the next process complete. Hope you're following. Just a little check to see how we're progressing. Yep, the meat is browning beautifully. A little bit more time. Again, just keep your eye on it. Make sure it's perfectly. 2 to 3 minutes should be adequate. It's time to let the pork cook. Let the pot do its magic. Bring that camera closer to capture all these wonderful ingredients working together. We'll stir before adding in the chicken liver, and in it goes. Come on, don't be shy. Pop those babies in. Yep. Let it all combine to create this wonderful recipe. Amazing.
Say lami.
Lami.
Kaayo.
Kakayo.
Kaayo.
Okay.
Okay, kayo.
Okay, kayo. Worcestershire sauce, in it goes. Yep. Just add some more, your own personal taste. But remember, I'm following the Mati secret family recipe, and in goes that baby soy sauce. Actually, little joke, it's the wonderful Wendy Corteshano. She loves soy sauce. Soy sauce gives it a rich golden color. In goes to the water, just above the meat level. Perfect. It's going in, and look at those babies. Wonderful. Little stir, keep it all going. As those juices make a perfect accompaniment. I wish you were here to savor this delightful aroma. In goes the wonderful cabbage. Once it's in, just throw it all in there. Straight on, moving to the next part, cauliflower. And for my country, this is a personal favorite. Wow. So delighted to know that the Irish are involved in making this wonderful menu. Matching my wonderful skin tone, it's the carrots. Great vitamins. And just to let you know, everything is natural here, all using organic ingredients. In go the Quail Eggs. No MSG here, it's all good. Checking and give it a stir every now and then. Let those ingredients blend together, work their magic, and soon you're going to have that magical meal. Pure luxury. Go for it. Great. Lami kayo.